Ladies and gentlemen, we can confidently report to you that insurgent groups in Mali are in serious panic after receiving the news that Mali has acquired the Bayraktar Akıncı drones to back up its already existing Bayraktar TB2 drones. As stated by the Army Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces of Mali, General Sadio Kamara. But a polite reminder, before we continue, we ask you to kindly like this video, share and comment, and if you're new, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell. For years now, Mali has been battling a number of insurgent groups across the region, a thing that has strained the military of Mali logistically and lowered the morale of the fighting gallant sons and daughters of Mali. But with the acquisition of this new Bayraktar Akıncı drones, the battle on the insurgents is going to turn to more of a video game, drawing lines between a professional army and terrorist and militant groups. In July last year, a deadly attack by Tuareg separatist coalition in Tinzawatene district left numerous Malian soldiers and Wagner group fighters dead. This attack was the bloodiest of the attacks that Mali had witnessed over years. Without the air support from the Bayraktar Akıncı drones dispatched from Burkina Faso, experts assert even more lives of the Malian military and the Wagner fighters could have been lost. But what exactly makes the Akinci drone a partner in need? The Bayraktar Akıncı is a cutting-edge unmanned combat aerial vehicle, UCAV, designed by Bayraktar Technology of Turkey. Its advanced capabilities and state-of-the-art technologies make it a formidable force on the battlefield. The Akinci can operate at altitudes of up to 40,000 feet and boasts an endurance of over 24 hours, enabling extended surveillance in combat missions. The high altitude, according to the Malian Chief of Staff, will allow the Malian Armed Forces keep an eye all over the country 24/7. This will ultimately help the Malian forces fend off attacks even before, while providing crucial protection to ground forces. The Bayraktar Akıncı is equipped to carry a 1,500-kilogram payload, supporting diverse configurations, including precision-guided munitions, air-to-ground missiles, and advanced sensors. With this technology, the Malian army now controls the skies, and as common sense will dictate, the war of today is not won on the ground, rather by gaining aerial superiority over the enemy. The integrated electro-optical and infrared EO/IR cameras, laser rangefinders, and targeting systems within the targeting system of the Bayraktar Akıncı ensure pinpoint accuracy in strikes, not only minimizing collateral damage, but also reducing the cost of assault on the insurgents. The Akinci drone features advanced AI systems enable autonomous takeoff, landing, navigation, and target identification, reducing the reliance on human operators. Additionally, the unmanned aircraft features multi-role functionality, allowing it to conduct both intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) missions and high-intensity combat operations. It is no secret most of the militia groups in the Sahel region are sponsored by Western imperialists who wish to destabilize the region for their own selfish interest, as was the case in the July ambush in Tinzawatene, where the rebels received intelligence briefing from the Ukrainian embassy in Benin and Ivory Coast. With the acquisition of the Bayraktar Akıncı, this is no longer a threat as the drone features advanced electronic warfare systems, allowing for CE to disruption enemy communication and radar systems, enhancing its survivability and effectiveness. The Bayraktar Akıncı represents a leap in drone warfare, offering strategic advantages through its endurance, payload versatility, and integration of cutting-edge technology. Its ability to carry out precise strikes, combined with advanced AI and electronic warfare systems, makes it an indispensable asset in modern asymmetric and conventional warfare scenarios. But while what we said so far may not be the most important and ground-shaking implication, but the good news to Africans who love their freedom and independence is that the acquisition of the Akinci drone by Mali is a clear sign of determination by the alliance of the Sahel states to change the course not only for Mali in the Sahel region, but the start of real independence backed by military capabilities to fend off any insurgency. Mali now becomes the second member of the alliance of the Sahel states to acquire cutting-edge aerial superiority after his counterpart Captain Ibrahim Traoré did in Burkina Faso. Imagine if the drones from Burkina Faso have been proving security through surveillance and intelligence and pre-attack strikes on insurgents across the member states of the alliance of the Sahel states. What will now happen with this new addition of firepower to the defense force of the Alliance of the Sahel States? We can boldly report that last week alone, more than a dozen of fighters already surrendered in Mali after getting intelligence information on how the Malian Air Force and ground forces had prepared an assault on their positions. Well, this achievement by Assimi Goïta is not just for the Malian people, but the entire Sahel region and Africa at large. Of course, we cannot forget to say the number of Akinci drones manufactured by Bayraktar can be counted, and in Africa, Burkina Faso and Mali are first to acquire this cutting-edge technology to defend their people and resources, while some crazy African puppets cannot see beyond their NSCs. In summary, the Bayraktar Akıncı combines endurance, firepower, and technological sophistication to dominate both the skies and the battlefield. Long live Assimi Goïta, long live Mali, long live Alliance of Sahel States, and long live Africa.